Morning everyone, this is Shivangi Khangarot. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you will be going to see how to make your lips look bigger with so easy steps. And I'm sure that if you are a beginner, this will be so easier for you also to do or to follow these steps. So before we just get into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and click on the ring bell button. In this way you will be get notified whenever I will be posting a new video. So if you want to see the right way, then please keep on watching. So starting off with the first step, you have to make sure that you have a muslin cloth with you. If you don't have, you can use cotton cloth also. Dip it into warm water and then just remove whatever you are having on your lips. And I'll tell you why I emphasize on this step. I don't know you can see or not, but here is a stain of the lipstick. And then see, if you haven't applied the makeup, then you can absolutely scrub your lips by using the toothbrush. But if you have applied makeup and then you want to make your lips bigger, this is the step you have to do whenever you want to make your lips look bigger. Now for me, what's the second step I would love to do is, I used to take any contour powder you are having. As you can see that my lower lip is like this, like it's flattened. So the shadow which is giving in here, I would emphasize it more. And then I'm gonna follow the same contour line which I'm having on my lower lip. And on the upper lip, as you can see that my lower lip is more bigger than the upper lip. So I would try to balance it out. Like you have to follow the exact contour line to both this side, like the ending of your contour, and on the middle of your lips, both the lips, you have to make it look bigger so that it might look like this. So I'm gonna make exact V over to my upper lip, slighter higher, and then I will follow the same contour line. And now if you have lip pencil, it's good, but if you don't have, there is no need to go and buy, because I am not a big fan of lip pencils, and I used to pick that kind of lipsticks which has a perfect wand. But for today I'll be using this Estee Lauder 80 Nude lip pencil. Gonna emphasize here. And then follow that same contour line. If you don't know how to make a V, stretch your lips like this. And then first do half a part right from here, and then again stretch your lips, this will be easier for you to do it. Yeah, I just want to make these both sides a little bit like give it a more definition. So I would just stretch this to have a perfect mouth line. I don't know you can see the difference or not, but this technique makes a huge difference over my lip. I will take this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick. It's in the shade Seductress 6.5, and I'll be starting from the middle. If you don't know how to apply lipstick right here at the corners, just tilt your wand and try to do it in one swipe. And again on the middle, if you don't know to apply the lipstick in a perfect way, you can stretch your lips and do it like that. You will get a perfect V over to your lips. Why we used to use the lip pencils is because they have a waxy kind of texture, so it doesn't melt down over to your lips, because if we apply directly the lipstick over to us, it might get smudged out. So that's why we used to use the lip pencils. Then I take a brush, because actually these lipsticks from Maybelline, I don't have to apply it directly from the wand, but just to show you I have used it, because normally I just take over to my palms and then I used to apply, because a little is also way much for me. Now the last step to just finish off to have a good lips is to apply the gloss, because there is no way to make your lips look bigger if you haven't used the lip gloss, because that will make your lips look bigger instantly, because the glosses just makes your lips look plump more, and they will give an illusion that you are having a big lips right in the middle. And I'm gonna apply it right at the middle of my lips with the same brush. And in this way we are finished with the look. So I hope that you enjoyed me watching, and I hope that you just love the way I have done my lips, because it's so easy to create. And if you just recreate this kind of lips, please tag me and please let me know in the comments also that how you feel when you have tried these techniques on you as well. And thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting me. Until then, I'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.